So we're going to here is from our things called System Management in Maintenance Lab and Platform, or known as CMS. This is one of our option tester that actually has been active in our Badalong Robotics and Artificial Intelligence laboratory. And our project manager, Sir W. As well as Spike Points. This is our following triggers overview. So with motivation also realize that the fish development implementation, and there is a leadership as the system with permission that also via the SB electrically via the SB set via the phone. And there is a distinct sufficient system. And here is our timeline. First, we identified the problem and initial and then we design a system. The system is smart and socially smart our system. And after that, we will get our global system. So, with our application have so the website integration. After that, we implement the integration network using HI and then the base storage using QMP and so. And then also the regular system testing. Please, after that, we operate the systems to the declaration and system. Please. So, small solutions. Mark organization also this this technology is bipolar face that's automated self-assessment and campus environment. Together, their advocates will available slowly to modernize daily academic operation. Right? This is our plan where Simulus will get first. First, they have an attendance transfers where the student cannot easily enter attendance first. Second one, they have complexities, which the student usually sign manually or with their student. And then have a look at student that's still using. And then there are a green control that so if the lecturers hurdles or what to attract them. And then our system integration. Yeah, it's like so. Yeah, this is a feature of Simulus Classroom. First, we have centralized first there. So start in order session and all of the machine would simply wish your picture and then the automatic attendance also occur here print ways worker access. So we can use the physical and there is a call synchronized worker access. So we would know if the worker is still or not. And there is a data security and also so this will be concerned but the item is useful.
Okay, next for our system for chart smart attendance machines. For the first, we are using dual input system. The device automatically routes interaction based on the input source. The finger sends for weekly attendance and the keypad for the management mode. The second instant attendance fingerprint scan are instantly verified. If valid, the OLED display the user's identity and the attendance log is sent to the database. The third, the short admin mode. Access to the configuration menu is strictly protected by PIN or password authentication. For the fourth, the two-stage enrollment on the device registration for the new finger ID requires a double scan verification if 100% match to go rate biometric data accuracy before savings. Next, please. Okay,
And in this slide, system flow chart, smart locker scene, role-based workflow. The system dynamically routes operation based on user roles, differentiating differentiating between admin or lecture item loading mode and student item retrieval mode. Biometric authentication, secure fingerprint scan are verified in real time against the database to trigger the solenoid lock. On unrecognized scan are instantly denied access. Active door monitoring and integrate integrated buzzer automatically sounds a warning if the locker door is left unsecured on or open for too long. Visual audit trial every time the locker door is successful. Close the ESP to 32 can picture a photo and next to the servant to maintenance strictly activity log dynamic team assessment in admin model lecture can securely deposit component and digital access locker access right to specific PBL teams. Next, in this slide, design smart attendance machine. Next, and this slide, design smart locker machine. And this slides, system design, the system feature can release architecture concrete on Laravel and MySQL based server, while admin use a web interface and student use a Flutter mobile app for management. The hardware consists of two Wi-Fi connects, ESP 3 to S3 node. The first node handles user input with RTC and MP3 feedback, while the second node control the six-channel relay for solenoid and tracks door status via magnetic sensor. Next, our progress.
Okay, in this slide is schematic of smart attendant machine. This is process input from the DY50 fingerprint sensor or 4x4 keypad, matches it with accurate time from the RTC via ESP3 to S3, then outputs feedback, struck the OLED display and audio via MP3 module and buzzer. And then this is PCB layout and relation stage. In the PCB layout stage, critical signal trace are arranged to be short and need spared from power lines to avoid interface. A ground plane is added to maintain system stability, and the coupling capacitor are used to reduce noise. This is bottom layer, and then this is top field screen or to the view. And then before using the final PCB, I built a prototype on paper board to test communication and system integration of the smart attendant machine. Once the result was stable, the layout design was implemented into the physical PCB. And the next is schematic of smart locker machine. My electrical progress begins with the schematic design, mapping, connection between the power supply, regulator, microcontroller, sensor, and locking actuators. The schematic serves as the foundation for component integration, ensuring stable power distribution on the motor and sensor. And the next relation stage, in the PCB layout stage, of course, power distribution traces are arranged efficiently to keep current to the locking motor and sensor stable. Power lines are made thicker to withstand actuator load, while stretch are kept short and separated from power lines. A ground plane is added to maintain system stability and reduce electromagnetic interface. And this is view bottom layer and top view screen and 3D view. Okay, next is the smart locker system is currently being tested using a prototype on perforated PCB to ensure stable operation of the microcontroller, relay, sensor, and locking actuators. On starting is successfully, the PCB layout and final realization will process in the next semester for a more permanent and efficiency result. Okay, next.
Okay, next for the landing page. On the web front-end side, I developed this landing page as a main gateway to the IoT Simulus ecosystem. The primary focus is to provide a source centralized portal for the student to directly download to the official mobile apps. Besides the display and overview of the system, Future is also integrated an interactive help desk so user can quickly report technical issue for the or provide feedback. Next, please. For the next website and website admin and lectures. Moving on the labs management side, I built a spare web portal specifically for admin and lectures because this handles and sensitive data. I implemented extra layer of the security in the login system. This range for mandatory registration using institutional emails and reCAPTCHA integration to block bot attacks up to OTP verification. Through this centralization dashboard, auto staff can monitor biometric attendance log on real time, manage locker checks, recs, and overall IoT system activity. Next, please. The next is authentication and account recovery. Driving into the student mobile apps, the apps development. This is account recovery workflow the implement to prevent a system exploitation. Student would forget the password, must pass a visual captcha validation, which the triggers to the backend system to send automatic 6-digit OTP to their email when creating a new password. I also added a real-time password strength indicator to user or account security standard are maintained. Next, please. Next is interactive dashboard and onboarding. Once logged into the apps, students are welcome to by this interactive dashboard. I designed the interactive to provide instant information for a real-time locker, available to quickly summary of region attendance story. Additionally, available to quick summary of region successfully attended on the app update a module. The feature automatically detect the latest version on their server and trigger a pop-up notification allowing students to directly download the apps update without having leaving the system. Next, please. Next is the attendance smart locker and academic profile. This is the final slide. I integrate the app's three main function in the structure menu. First, a monthly biometric attendance tracking, visually the track and interactive calendar of to check detail clock in the of time. Second, any of this smart locker grade monitoring system connect to directly to physical machine using color coded indicator to show locker available. And lastly, detect profile page that manage academic credential and student payable team the team assessment. Next, please. The next will explain by my friend.
Okay, this slide we can see the web dashboard interface, which is fully integrated with the system's database in real time. At the top three is a transaction history table that records complete item retrieval data, include the before and after photo. Below it, the system log record every physical movement of the locker door, tracking whether they are open or closed. All of this visual data is fetched directly from our database table, such as log transaction, log locker, and status locker, as shown at the bottom of the screen. Next.
ESP20 cam detection workflow. One hardware trigger and capture. The system initiates when an item is placed inside and the locker door is closed. The ESP20 cam module captures the physical image of the locker interior. 2. Data transmission. The captured image is immediately transmitted over the Wi-Fi network to the server using the HTTP post protocol. 3. Server and database processing. The PHP backend receives the request and save the physical image file into the upload or directory. The system executes a query to up for a dashboard update. The website dashboard automatically refreshes to retrieve the latest data. The user interface displays the real-time status alongside the newly captured photo. Next, ESP20 cam casing design. This is the design for ESP20 cam. Precision CAD modeling for the ESP20 cam. Equip the ventilation gaps and cable management routing to ensure stable AI vision model performance and prevent short circuit with the metal locker body. Next. And this is the improvement AI vision classification roadmap. Dataset collection, frame extraction, annotation, model training, and smart output. Next.
So this is my which were with additional pictures that help. Using a file-based face recognition part. This is running with in my next slide, please. And this is the result that you can use for our smoothing notepad. It when bounding box on a protection interface. Requestation stage successful in The additional parents enabling companies of After the configuration, I start to build a integrated model using a laptop. And also there is a place application service I have Max and also a terminal application with MySQL database MySQL. Please. This is the feature which is identified the face detection and also likeness detection with anti-spoofing requires a plain during the tenant's preventive order and also platform registration and a geolocation based and so it actually asks for digital location and it will decline if it's not in the place that has been set from the app. And then we have the data management for this mortgage. Before the other one. The third we enter workflow. Where first we seven master design face using a like China terminal. Entering the link that has been verified from the members first. Then they will capture the face with results. And after that, student could simply use the face running the website with a like text. Next, you can see site. We can see here it's running here. So from the very beginning, where it begins. This is where students try to learn certain things and if there has been button with ask either for registration or just simply use set like it's empty. This is where from residents. There is also a live balance which the student simply run that with the 5 button that has been running simply organize and it's all good for everything to know. I just your setting for dependent on the class.